Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today I have for you a good vegan chili. It's good. The Super Bowl is coming up, so it would be great for that. Or it's cold outside, it would be great for any day of the week. So if you would like to see how I prepare my vegan chili, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, to start off for my vegan chili, we have some ground vegan beef. We have some diced tomatoes. It's a 28-ounce can. We have a tri-bean blend that has pinto beans, kidney beans, and black beans. And that is a 15-ounce can. And we have a 15-ounce can of black beans. And for our seasonings, let's start up here at the top. For our seasoning, in this one we have 2 tablespoons of chili powder. We have 2 tablespoons of mustard powder. We have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. We have 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And in this one we have salt, which is 1 teaspoon of sea salt. We have 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and then we have a 1/4 of teaspoon of ground cumin. And back up here at the top, we have 1 teaspoon of smoked spicy paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then here we have 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses. And I also have over here some onions that I have chopped up in a food processor. Okay, we're going to turn the stove on a medium heat and pour a little bit of grapeseed oil in the bottom so that it can get warm. But we're going to start off in this pot by putting in the onions and letting them saute. Let them get a little bit translucent. And while we wait on that, we're actually going to open up the can of beans and rinse those off. Okay, the onions are getting translucent, so we're going to start adding the seasoning. Start first with the 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Then we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of mustard powder. We're going to add the garlic, and everything will be listed below, so please check there if you need it. The onion powder and the salt, the red pepper, and the cumin. Then we have the smoked spicy paprika as well as the black pepper. Now we're going to let that cook for just a second to marinate. Okay, now we have that cooked down. The flavor smells so delicious. We're going to go ahead and add our can of diced tomatoes. And again, this is the 28-ounce can. Dump those in there, as well as 2 cans of beans and 1 package of vegan beef crumbles. And I'm going to put a little bit of water in this tomato can to get the rest of the juices out. Not much. And then we're going to take this 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses and add this to it as well. And that is it for putting it all together. You want to stir it up really good so that it's mixed very well together. And then put a top on it and let it slow simmer for about, I always let mine cook for about an hour or hour and a half just to make sure those flavors marry together, but it is really up to you. I'm going to give it a little taste to make sure that it has enough seasoning to it, just to be sure. It has a good chili taste. And at the end, I'm going to add some vegan cheddar cheese because I like cheese in my chili. So that is it. We're going to let that cook down. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. It's on 2, so we're going to put the top on this and just let this simmer away, and we'll come back and check it in a bit. So stay tuned. Okay, the chili has been cooking for just about an hour, and I actually poured a half a cup of white wine in here. I didn't show that, but I tasted it after it cooked a little while and it still needed a little more sweetness. So I added a half a cup of white wine, and that'll give it a good flavor. So it's just about ready. I think I'm going to let it cook maybe. I don't like it dry. I do like it a little soupy, but I am going to probably cook it for about 15, 20 more minutes and see how it is. But then we'll come back and see what it looks like after that. And I'm cooking with the pot half off so it can vent a little bit so that it don't create additional water, so it can thicken up just a little bit more. So that's it. Okay, I have finished cooking it. It has cooked probably for about 1 hour and 20 minutes maybe. This is the thickness and consistency that I like it here. So I am going to plate it, add a little bit of vegan cheddar cheese, and then we'll do our taste test. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I have finished the chili. As you can see here, I added a little bit of cheddar cheese on top of it. So now it is time for the taste test. I'm going to make sure that I get a little bit of the cheese in with it as well. And it's piping hot. It's still steaming. You can see the steam. While we wait, if you like these Boss Vegan shirts, check down below. My store is there where you can order one of these. I have, I think, 3 or 4 different other vegan type shirts on there. Maybe it's 2 or 3, but anyway, check down below for the link. And yeah, it's very good. Has a little kick to it, not too terribly spicy. I don't like it when it's really, really spicy because it messes with my stomach, but it is so good, and especially with cheese. If you guys have never tried chili with cheese on it, try it. I mean, it's so delicious. And this, I'm using the So Delicious vegan cheese because I really like that cheddar cheese, and it melts pretty good. So let's take another bite. Get a bigger bite this time with some tomatoes. I think the half a cup of wine that I added about halfway through the cooking cycle really took it up a notch. You can tell that it's in there. The alcohol, of course, cooks off and it leaves that flavor of it. I use a Pinot Grigio. I don't cook with anything I don't drink, and that's usually what I drink. So yeah. If you like the video, please be sure to thumbs up, like, comment. If you have any questions, check below. I have the full description of the recipe link below. Check there. If you still have questions or comment, please comment below. Just let me know and I'll be sure to get back with you. And once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.